Thursday, January 9th at 9:30, Able Auctions is hosting a live online auction of tools and construction equipment. We got lots of these brand new mini excavators, all different sizes. Some of them have the hydraulic thumb on them. Some enclosed, some non-enclosed. We got mini skid steers, all different sizes. We got this Toyota forklift coming up, 5,200 pound capacity, running good. Lots of construction equipment, building equipment, Hilti tools, drills, lots of tankless water heaters and boilers. All like brand new. Safety equipment, sprayers, coil nails, restoration equipment, portable table saws, even bathtubs, jetted and non-jetted, stoves, range hoods, built-in ovens, surveyor tools, laser levels, rotary lasers, saws. Make sure you go to ableauctions.ca to register. Paint sprayer. The preview for this auction will be Wednesday, January 8th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And that's at our 19757 92A Avenue location. Nice drywall screw systems, Stihl tools, DeWalt, Milwaukee. We even got vehicle tires with rims and without. Lots of gas fireplaces, electric fireplaces, wall hung. Heat pumps, lots of power tools, hand tools, demolition drills, hammer drills. You name it, you're gonna find a good buy here on some really nice tools. Pressure washers. Got a furnace, some underlay. Brand new electric bikes. I think the ones in the box are actually white, but the display is black. So if you want a black one, you get the display. These intricate, really heavy stone plant pots. Look at that dragon, that's cool. Range hood microwave ovens. Here's some of those electric fireplaces I was talking about. We got 70-inch, 60-inch, 50-inch ones. More boilers, still sealed in their crates, transport crates. Some Napoleon fireplaces. Built-in fireplace right there. Here's some standard range hoods. And then lots of windows, showers, building materials. So make sure you check out ableauctions.ca. That's our January 9th sale online starting at 9:30. Preview is Wednesday the 8th from 10 to 4 in our 19757 92A Avenue location. Make sure you go online, get yourself registered up, come on down, preview the items, and then get yourself an amazing deal on some tools and industrial equipment. Hope to see you all there.